We built the box Friday.
Oh, okay. So you're just starting to learn the box.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I had the so the two VXF. I had those in a box, and it did all right. I played around with 15s.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Thank you. We built the box Friday.
Oh, okay. So you're just starting to learn the box.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I had the so the two VXF. I had those in a box, and it did all right. I played around with 15s.
Yeah.
The Deflons 15s, but I wanted to come back to these VXF. I really like them.
Well, how big is the box and the tuning on it?
It's 5 1/4 at 31.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty cool how you have the bottom for the battery and your wiring and everything. So nice and clean, and you have your back seats so you can showcase it and still sit people.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
awesome.
Well, yeah. I mean, I gotta have room for my son and my wife to come in the car at the same time. So I had to maintain some functionality, but.
Yep. Okay.
Yep.
I see your sticker's 45 dB plus. I assume you haven't metered it since then, or?
That was yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So I wanted to put a sticker on for so long, but I wanted an official meter.
Yep.
And when I got it yesterday, so it was 145 on the headrest, and then 47 on the glass.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Appreciate the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
Yep.
And what was that? I saw a little logo on the back of the box. What is that? The little
QR code?
barcode thing. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So you should check these guys out. So it oh, there you go. Yeah, that, and it comes with a QR code, but it'll.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you.
So it's a box they made, and you can do that. It's pretty cool.
And then. It
Sweet.
comes up, so you can set whatever you want it to, but I got contact info, and then my
That's a good idea. Is that
whatever's.
Is this you?
No.
Okay.
V1CE.
Okay.
Vice.
Vice.
Yeah.
Got it.
Google that, and
All right.
it's a cool setup.
Sweet. Thanks for showing me.
The QR code. I scanned it, and then Photoshop, and then I can put it on whatever.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I just thought it was cool because it was on the box. I was like, I've never seen that before, so I'm sure somebody will ask. So thanks for explaining that. What's going on, everyone? I'm JacobViral. I do daily car audio videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. This was at the Team DeadlyHz TDH show in Virginia of 2021. Really like everything about this system, from the clean wiring job install, mounting points, the way the subwoofers and port area is, how the box is laid out, everything. So if you can see on the right side here, he actually has his port on the back of the passenger side. Most people usually put the port either in the center or driver's side, but he did passenger, and it turned out really well. Nice musical box. His subwoofers are inverted, gave him the optimal space inside of his enclosure. And if you look underneath, as I was showing you, he has everything wired underneath the box. Very unique style. It actually is smart to do it that way. That way you have optimal space to use your back seats for your family like he was talking about. And you can see all of the different wiring relays, fuses, panels, etc. He has all professionally installed. So definitely did a great job showcasing it. Don't really see a lot of nice, clean wiring jobs like this, so try to get a little close-up for y'all to see how clean it was. I did not see how much power he was running, but if you briefly look, he has his amplifiers underneath of his box with his batteries as well. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy the demo. Pretty impressive. That does really good on the lows.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
right, you do the same.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you.